From a land na saks lang away, three somewhat noble persons emerge from the city, ready to take on every single challenge, no matter how stupid it'll make them look. Get ready as the three Stooges step foot into the limelight, where they may or may not #slay.
Hello everyone and welcome to The Three Stooges, a variety game show where we invite three amateurs and one pro to fight head-to-head and win a prize. I'm your host, Camry, Cahimat, and today we're gonna take you to the world of bowling. But first, let's get to know the Three Stooges stats for this activity.
Stooge number 1, Addie Holgado. Stooge number 2, Angel Prieto. And Stooge number 3, Eloisa Limbago. And now, let's welcome our number 1 bowler. From the land of Valenzuela, Brian Vianzon. Alright, all the players are here. But first, let's go over the mechanics of the game. Let's get rolling! Advice 1. Form. Hold the ball with your dominant hand with your middle and ring finger inserted on top of the top holes of the ball, while your thumb at the lower. Use your other hand to provide support when handling the ball, so your 3 other fingers won't tire out from carrying the ball. Do not hold the ball in any other way. Holding in the ball in the correct manner lessens risk of having the ball fall down or move in any other way that may come dangerous.
I'm feeling rejuvenated. I don't know. I just wanna hold the ball and win. Yes!
Advice 2. Approach. First, hold the ball around the chest area while you place the foot from the opposite side of your dominant hand. For the first step with the foot at the back, gently move the ball downwards in a curved manner. Next, have the ball at your hand to gain momentum before letting it roll. And then, release the ball in your targeted direction. You may use your foot to gain balance. Quick tip: do not just run and slide. Letting the ball slide in any other manner may work, as this method ensures the safest way to lessen the risk of having the player injured, as some may trip or slip.
I feel like I'm gonna slay this because it's me. Yeah.
Advice 3. The roll. Make sure to slide the ball. To do this, one must push the ball when it reaches the ground to gain a smooth flight. When you handle the ball, make sure to put your hands behind the ball and direct the roll to your target. Note that a smooth roll, even if it may be slow, is better than a fast, rushed, and clumsy roll. Ganyan dapat guys, kailangan hawakan ang mga balls ng maayos. Quick tip: do not toss, end, or throw the ball. You might just end up breaking the lane. Not only will you lose the match, but you might end up losing money to pay for repair.
The feeling is not giving. But I'm confident because slay.
Advice 4. The balls. Bowling balls come in different ways based on their weight. There are balls that weigh lighter and some that weigh heavier. Lighter balls are easier to handle and are much faster, but their hit on the pins aren't much impactful. On the contrary, heavier balls are hard to handle, but they have a bigger impact when hitting the bowling pins. It is up to the player which bowling ball they want to use based on their playing style. Quick tip: do not just choose a ball because it is in your favorite color. The true aesthetic in bowling is your form and approach. Alright, now that everyone's warmed up and ready, we will now be starting the final showdown. The professional player will have to face each of the 3 Stooges in 3 respective rounds of a 1v1 best of 5 battle. Each win in a round will be counted as 2 points to each party. With that being said, let's get rumbling!
You call that a pro? Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna hit. Wow!
never mind. No, just oh my god. Addie!
The ball is not in the mood today.
Yeah, that's the hot top.
Oh my god. I think that's...
What? Off the wrong foot.
Good game, everyone! And we have now tallied the scores for this game. And the winner is... Ryan! Woo! Congratulations! And that means the amateurs are the losing people for today.
Jello kasi!
I feel like it wasn't the slayest, pero it wasn't that bad considering it was my first time. And look at the pro, he didn't even hit everything. So
Okay, and since you're the winner, what consequence would you want them to do?
So one of them should spell my name, Ryan, using their butt.
Ryan, ano ba? Benjamin
No.
Vivian Zone?
Since there's 3 of you, who should you win?